Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of if you're trying to delete some file and the file just shows that the action can be completed because the file is open in somewhere in Windows 11 or 10. So to how to delete this file if you cannot delete this, and every time you try to delete this pop-up shows. So first of all, you just need to go to the search bar and search for here Resmon, 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 and you will find this run command option. So you just need to open it. This process will be exactly the same in Windows 11 or if you're using Windows 10. So you just need to go to the CPU option here. After opening this window, go to the CPU. Then you need to copy this file name. So just go to the rename here and copy the enter file name. Then again, come back to this window and here you find the option called search handles. Then paste the name here, enter. And here you will find the file here. What you need to do is just right click on it and just click end process. And this will tell you where the file is open. So you just need to click on end process. And the file where it is open, the file will be closed. We just need to minimize that and now try to delete that. Click on delete. As you can see, the file is deleted. So that's it, guys. This is how we can fix the problem of the file cannot be deleted because the file is somewhere open in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.